Aloha y bienvenidos a mi casa. Welcome to my home. My name is Desi Bartlett and I've been in health and wellness for over 25 years. And like so many of you, I'm also a mom. I'm here today with my kiddos who are home for the summer, and we're going to be sharing some of our favorite tips and tricks for staying healthy this summer.
Let's make a smoothie.
Let's make a smoothie. You can put whatever you want in your smoothies this summer, whether it's berries, we have some almond milk and ice, and we have different kinds of protein that you can use. This is whey-based protein. It's about 30 grams per serving. And if you're vegan or just prefer not to do whey, you can also do a plant-based or a veggie-based protein. This one is pea. And then we also have a supplement here that is vitality. So it totally depends on what you're going for. Do you want to put on some muscle? Do you want to stay with your macros? Or do you want to boost your vitality? This looks delicious.
Good. Very good.
I love you. Kiss.
Love you.
So a great way to introduce your kids to strength training is by using exercises that use the weight of their own body and resistance bands. Start easy and make it fun. Get your chin all the way up and down. One more. So good. So just like adults, kids can also have a little bit of muscular tension or even knots. Self-myofascial release will help to work that out. An easy way to do this is with a ball. You can use a tennis ball, a baseball, whatever kind of ball you have at home. Go a little slower and press with a little bit more pressure. There you go. Does it feel like a massage? Right on. The foam roller is a great way to work out some muscular tension. My son will show you how. I like to use a Theragun on sore muscles and it feels great. For more health and fitness tips, follow me at desibartlett.com and Mothers Into Living Fit on Insta.